Hey, I am Sikandar Aburaki from Tute Plus 24. Today I am going to share with you one of my Arduino based project. This is the reality show buzzer system project with Arduino microcontroller. Here we are using 8 IR sensor, 8 IR sensor for 8 participants and 1 IR sensor for the administrator. And here we are looking one 7 segment display and one buzzer, and this is 5 volt distribution board, and the whole system is powering up through some adapter like 9-volt adapter. So I am going to turn on the system. So according to the requirements of my client, if any participant presses any buzzer, the display will be persist for 30 seconds, and within that 30 seconds, if administrator wants by pressing this IR sensor or using this IR sensor can be reset the whole system. Otherwise, the displayed digit will be persist for 30 seconds. This is the system of my client. So I am going to test it. So as I came close to the sensor number 3, so 3 digit is displayed here, and it will persist 30 seconds, and automatically after that, after 30 seconds, automatically it will be 0. This is the requirements of my client, and within that 30 seconds, if at any moment of time the administrator wants to reset it, he or she can reset it by this way. So it is resetted, and I am pressing another. So this is 5. So within that 5, if anyone presses any buzzer, it will not work because it is blocked for next 30 seconds. But if again the administrator wants to press the administrative sensor, then it will be reset, and within that reset, if anyone wants, he can reset the thing by administrative sensor. So I hope this tutorial will be fun and enjoyable for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.